video for you here with some things I got from Country Craft Creations over the weekend during the virtual retreat. Tammy showed some new items that had come into the store, and of course I wanted them, and so I ordered them real quick. The two main things that I wanted were, these are exclusive to Country Craft Creations. They're being made just for the shop. Now they're available, I think, from other places, but these are made just for Country Craft Creations. This is a press, a stamp press. I don't have any stamps here with me, but if you put your acrylic or rubber stamp in your stamping platform, and then you put the top down, you use this to press on it to give even pressure to make it stamp better. And it's got this felt pad on it, beautiful pink knob. Now, these come in different colors, so there's 3 different colors, and I got the pink for mine. This one's really awesome. Let me get a scrap of paper here. This is to tear your tape, your score tape. So like if you were putting down tape on a project, I'll put a little bit here. You try to tear it with your finger, grab some scissors. Well, this you can just hold onto the knob, place this down, and just tear. I love that. I've been wanting one of those, so I got that. Now it comes with this paper backing on it, and you have to peel those off each little square. But I found if you spritz it with water and then take a scraper like your Cricut scraper, each one will just peel off, or you can even rub them off with your thumb. So those are the 2 items that I really wanted. And since I was ordering, I thought I'd go ahead and get some art glitter glue, of course. And then I went ahead and got these Heartfelt Creations, the large butterfly die, large floral butterfly, and the large floral butterfly stamp to use. Now these are items that I purchased on my own from Country Craft Creations. If you go and these are not in stock right now, she is having more made, and I will link them down below if they're available right now. Check back often if they're not, because like I said, she introduced them at the virtual retreat over the weekend, and of course everybody started going and ordering them. So if you want these, check back often, and I will link them down below if they're available right now. So check on that. And then I'm going to show you some papers that I also got in as a designer, some exclusive Country Craft Creations papers, so stay tuned. One of the fun perks of being a Country Craft Creation designer is that Tammy will send us, when we request it, any of the exclusive paper collections that are designed by Country Craft Creations that we want to work on for some of our current projects. And so in a package this week, I received these 3 collections. I received a 12 by 12 of By the Seaside, a 12 by 12 and an 8 by 8 of the Victorian teacups, and the 8 by 8 and 12 by 12 of Homer's Diner. These are absolutely gorgeous. So these are the 3 that I picked that I hope to get a project done. I have an idea for this one that I want to start working on as soon as I can. I have so many other things I'm trying to get done, but I really have an album that my very first album that I created. It wasn't a design team or anything. It was the first time I ever made an album, and it's kind of rough around the edges, and I would love to kind of remake some of the elements in this paper collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show these and not talk a lot about them. The colors are gorgeous. The images are beautiful. Several of the designers have showcased these, Tammy herself and Sally. So I want to just, for those of you who follow me on YouTube, to see these papers and know that you can always go and check these out at countrycraftcreations.com. This is exclusive to their store, designed by Country Craft Creations. And so if you love these paper collections and images, go check it out on their site. So I'm just going to start taking one and flipping through front and back. Now typically with these collections, what's really great is that you get 3 of each of the paper pattern designs in their front and back. So you get a lot to work with, and then you get 2 sheets of the tags that come in the collection, and you get 2 of the cut aparts if it comes in a collection. So sit back and watch these flip through of these beautiful papers by Country Craft Creations. Okay, so there they are, the 3 exclusive paper collections that I received as the design team member of Country Craft Creations. By the Seaside, Victorian Teacups, and Homer's Diner. All wonderful collections. Take another look at Homer's Diner, Victorian Teacups, and By the Seaside. All available in the different sizes at countrycraftcreations.com. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell so you'll know when I have a new video uploaded. And shop at Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.